I'm here with a video, with a vehicle I saw. Okay, this is not gonna work. But just look at that chrome. The plastic looks like metal, doesn't it? Looks nice. It really matches that. It has a sunroof. Yep. Look at that chrome, look at that chrome, look at that chrome. Look at that chrome, look at that chrome, look at that chrome. If you're wondering what the light is in the windshield, it is, hold on, let me see what it is, which light it is. Yeah, it's the light from the phone to record. Look at that chrome, look at that chrome, look at that chrome. Yes, this thing is fast, I can hardly control it. What is it? Oh, I forgot where I put the dang controller. Yeah. Do any of y'all like that chrome? Look at that chrome, look at that chrome, look at that chrome. Does that vehicle look nice or what? Hold on. It's all red. Dodge Challenger with a sunroof. Ha ha ha. Look at that chrome, look at that chrome, look at that chrome. Yeah. That's a nice chrome though. Pretty durable. Ow! That didn't really hurt. I just started a video! That's what I said in the last vid. Pretty funny, wasn't it? But those of you that are keeping track of my videos, thumbs up for you. And the vehicle. And my shadow. Haha. And you. But look at that chrome, look at that chrome, look at that chrome. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Me. Yes, that is me. Not the vehicle, but me. Not the vehicle, but me. Not the vehicle, but me. Why do I keep saying that? That's so annoying, isn't it? butt. Dun 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 dun. Yes, this is so stupid. But when we get off here, no, not here. There's a you down. Wanting to see it? Ow! Right into my nut. Bad challenger. Ugh. Hey, you want to hit him? Okay. Good job. You did a good job hitting. Thank you. Okay, why am I doing that?